Want to create a stunning farmhouse-style garden without spending a fortune? With simple wooden pallets, you can build a cozy, rustic outdoor space that looks straight out of a Pinterest dream. Stay tuned as we show you easy DIY garden ideas that will transform your backyard. Imagine stepping outside to a charming garden oasis, a place where wooden pallet furniture, raised garden beds, and vertical planters create a warm and inviting space. With just a few DIY tricks, you can turn your ordinary backyard into a farmhouse-style retreat. Wooden pallets are an affordable, eco-friendly, and versatile option for creating beautiful garden features. You can repurpose them into raised garden beds, plant shelves, or stylish outdoor furniture, all without breaking the bank. Start with small projects. Turn a wooden pallet into a charming plant stand, or build a rustic garden path with reclaimed pallet wood. These beginner-friendly projects can instantly elevate your backyard aesthetic. Now, it's time to enhance the ambience. Add warm string lights, vintage watering cans, rustic lanterns, and a cozy outdoor seating area to bring your farmhouse garden to life. With just a few wooden pallets and a little creativity, you can build the rustic farmhouse garden of your dreams. Ready to start your DIY garden transformation? Like, subscribe, and share for more amazing backyard makeover ideas.